Got an Airbnb gift card? Here's how to redeem it and use it to book your next stay, step by step. You can buy Airbnb gift cards from places like Amazon, Target, or directly on Airbnb.com. They're digital or physical, both work the same. Make sure you're logged into the correct Airbnb account before you redeem. The balance will be locked to that account. Go to airbnb.com/gift, enter the gift card code, and click Redeem. You'll see the balance added to your account instantly. To confirm it worked, go to Payments and Payouts, Airbnb Credit. Your gift card balance will show there. Now search for your stay as usual. On the checkout screen, your Airbnb credit will be automatically applied before charging anything else. Gift cards only work in the same currency and country where they were issued. They also can't be transferred or withdrawn. If your gift card doesn't cover the full price, Airbnb will charge the rest to your backup payment method, like a card or PayPal. That's how to pay Airbnb with a gift card. Like and follow for more travel payment hacks that save you money.